Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to change Roblox age for under 13. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. This video demonstrates changing your birthday on Roblox. Despite it incorrectly assuming you were younger than 13 due to your birth year being 2020. To access Roblox support, close the app. Open a web browser. Type in roblox.com/support. Then enter your real birthday. Hit next. Type your username, real first name, the email address connected to your Roblox account, and confirm your email here. In the issue details, provide everything that is asked. Navigate to the chat and age settings in the category area. Select the Change Child Age option under its subcategory and tell Roblox support of the modification of your birthday in the description of issue box. Finally, click Submit. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorial.